Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 2017 67 Reg 435D M Sport Gran Coupe in mineral grey. This is an exceptionally high spec vehicle, so we'll show you around as much as possible. Included in the exterior is of course a full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit alongside the stunning brand new 20-inch CS style alloys in frozen grey. Sitting very nicely behind those, you'll see the M Sport Plus brakes, and on this 435D we've got the full M Sport Plus package. It is of course a facelift car, as you can tell by those front facelifted headlights. Over the top you'll see the glass sunroof, which is of course giving a real nice different level of ambience to the interior. Body colour air breathers, we've got the gloss black sidebars and the satin side vinyls, sun protection glazing on the rear windows. This vehicle also comes with the comfort access package, so as you'll see in a moment, I'm going to walk up to the car with the key on my person. Real handy features, as you can see there's little sensors on the door handles. Simply place my hand on the door handle and it'll unlock for me. Real handy features should your hands be full. You'll see there the Oyster Dakota leather with both the electric movement, memory and of course heated seat options. And that is all currently being very nicely illuminated thanks to that glass sunroof being slid all the way back, something we'll take a closer look at shortly. It does of course come with the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, which is going to work really well with that X-Drive 4-wheel drive system. An Isofix rear bench with a central folding armrest, and the rear seats in the back of this car look like they've barely ever been sat in. Really clean and tidy. Really do have to say how well the Oyster Dakota leather works with this mineral grey. Showing you off again those fantastic 20-inch wheels. At the back of the car we've opted to go for the high gloss rear boot spoiler and then a satin rear diffuser. You can of course then see the sharpened LED rear lights. We've got a rear facing reversing camera, something I'll show you shortly. You can see there how big the boot space is on a Gran Coupe. You do also get split folding seats and a removable top and bottom partial shelf. Round onto the driver's side, again showing you how clean and tidy this vehicle is. A very exemplary tidy example here at Your Next Car. And of course we shall now go through, as there is yet more special features awaiting us on the inside of this very sought after vehicle. So as soon as we enter the car, we're greeted by a digital cockpit, another sought after option, something we'll go through in just a second, and of course our wonderful professional wide navigation and media screen. So once we go through the standard opening service messages, you'll see there that is a very nice display. Currently we've got it in the normal comfort mode. However, once we engage sport, we're going to get a very large digital speedo and a completely different look to the display, and that is of course the same for should we go down into Eco Pro. And whilst it is only a small item and a small option to have, it is of course very sought after and a big difference to your interior experience. In terms of that widescreen, of course having a bigger screen in terms of your sat nav is always going to be very beneficial. It also uses real-time traffic updates to ensure we're on the fastest route possible. On this vehicle we do also have some BMW service history, which we'll go through to show you now. So as you can see, the next oil service is not due for 18,000 miles time, and up at service history you can see there is all of the BMW service history required. Down into communications, which is of course where we'll pair the vehicle for both Bluetooth, telephone and audio, as well as the DAB and all of the other multimedia inputs. And of course I did mention we've got a rear facing reversing camera, something that's really worth having. Back again now to the main menu, stop that beeping away at us. And we'll quickly now just finish off by saying thank you very much for taking the time to watch one of our walkarounds. I do of course hope you've enjoyed it and been able to find it useful. There is that lovely glass sunroof now in the till. If you would like some more information on the car, I will of course always leave links for you down below in the description. And we will of course just say we do of course hope to see yourselves very soon. Take care, bye bye.